Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about measuring liquids. How do we measure liquids? In the previous classes, we learned about measuring the solids. Solids are measured using the fixed units gram and kilogram. But for liquids, we use the units such as liters and milliliters. For liquids, we use units such as liters and milliliters. Liters is used to measure the liquids which are larger in quantity, and milliliters is used to measure the liquids which are lesser in quantity. The short form for liters is L. The short form for liters is L, and the short form for milliliters is ml. The short form for liters is L, and the short form for milliliters is ml. 1 liter is made up of 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is made up of 1000 milliliters, which means that 1000 milliliters add up and they make 1 liter. If you look at page number 130, page 130, page number 130, here in your book, it has been given, a few things have been given to us, a few objects have been given to us, and it has been mentioned how much liquid they can hold, how much liquid each of these objects can hold. For example, this spoon can hold 5 milliliter of a liquid. This bottle can hold 300 milliliter of a liquid. This packet of milk holds 500 milliliters of milk. This bottle of water will hold 1 liter of water. This another bigger bottle can hold 2 liters of water, and this bucket can hold 10 liters of water. So, all the liquids such as milk, water, juice, etc., all these liquids are measured using liters and milliliters, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so now come on to page number 131. Page number 131. Page 131. Here, in this exercise, page number 131, exercise number 1, the exercise states, the question states, how many can you fill? To show. Question number 1 has been done for us, part 1. Here, this bottle had 20 milliliter of a liquid, and we have to fill certain spoons of 5 milliliter each to distribute this liquid. So how many spoons of 5 milliliter each can be filled? 5 spoons. So they have put a tick on 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They have put a tick on 5 spoons. Number 4 of the spoons, on 4 of the spoons. Next question. Here we have this bottle filled with the liquid which is 60 milliliter in quantity. The quantity of this liquid is 60 milliliter, and we have to fill these cups which are 10 milliliter each. These cups are of the capacity 10 milliliter each. So how many cups can be filled? Here 60 milliliter. So first cup 10 milliliter, second another 10 means 20, third another 10, 30, fourth another 10, 40, fifth another 10, 15, and sixth another 10, 60. So total 6 cups can be filled using this 60 milliliter of liquid. Then part 3. Here we have 300 milliliter of liquid in this bottle, and we are supposed to fill these cups of 100 milliliter each. How many paper cups of 100 milliliter each can be filled using this liquid, which is 300 milliliter in capacity? So for the first cup we fill 100 milliliter done. For the second cup another 100, so 100 plus 100, 200 milliliters has been distributed. And for the third cup we fill another 100 milliliters, so total 300 milliliter of our liquid has been distributed. Part 4. Here this kettle, it has 600 milliliter of liquid or tea in it maybe. We have been given some cups here which are of 150 milliliter each. The capacity of each cup is 150 milliliters. How many cups can we fill using the tea in this kettle? So let's see. We fill the first cup, 150 milliliter has been filled. The another cup, so 150 plus 150 will be 300 milliliters has been poured out of the kettle. Then another 150, which means 300 plus 150, which is 450 milliliters of tea has been poured, and the last 150 and total 600 milliliter of our tea has been distributed in these cups, has been poured into these cups. Now students, for question number 5 and 6, you are supposed to try them on your own. Please do them as your homework. Now let us turn to page number 132. Please come on to page number 132. 132. This is the page and this is the question we are doing. Page number 132, question number 1. The question states, which will become full? Here, in this question, a few things have been given to us with smaller quantities. We have to determine, we have to identify which of these two bigger units or bigger container will these smaller units fill, will add up to and fill. Okay, for the first part, we have already done it. Part A, here 5 droppers have been given to us with 1 milliliter each, with the liquid 1 milliliter each. So 5 droppers of 1 milliliter each means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 milliliters liquid was is here in these droppers. So which container will they fill? 50 milliliter or 5 milliliter? Obviously 5 milliliter cup would be filled next. So the 5 milliliter cup will be filled and it should be ticked. For part B, we have been given 4 cups of 200 milliliter each. We have 4 cups of 200 milliliter each. They will add up to 200 plus 200 is 400. 400 plus another 200 will be 600, and then 600 plus 200 will be 800. So which one among these two bottles is the 800 milliliter capacity bottle? Which is this one. So we will take the bottle with 800 milliliter capacity. 800 milliliter capacity, and we will put a tick on that. Part C. Here in part C we have 2 mugs which are of 500 milliliter capacity each. These mugs can hold 500 milliliters each. Okay, so if we add 500 plus 500, which becomes 1000. So 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter will become 1000 milliliter. Do we have anything which states 1000 milliliter? No. But we do remember, please do remember that 1000 milliliter makes up to 1 liter. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. We do have 1 liter capacity container here, which is this urn or this jar. So let us put a tick on that. So for part C, we will put a tick on the container which states 1 liter. Students, for part D, you are supposed to try this on your own, and this is your homework for today. So today we learnt about measuring liquids, how we measure liquids, the units that we use to measure liquids. The units we use to measure liquids are liter for bigger quantities and milliliter for smaller quantities. We also learned that 1 liter is made up of 1000 milliliters. Your homework for today is page number 131, question number 5 and 6, and page number 132, question number 1, part D. Thank you.